Hello, welcome! Today I will unbox my new bottle of SOMADERM gel. This is my second treatment. I will also talk about my experience during the use of my first bottle. I have been using this product now for about 5 to 6 weeks. 5 days on, 2 days off. But first, let's open the box. And now I'm going to open the box and apply it so you all can see how it is. HGH is human growth hormone. This is a gel formula, the only one available OTC in the US. If you order only one bottle, this is how it comes, and a little box with all the directions in it. Directions are only in English. Directions for use. Apply 2 full pumps of SOMADERM gel twice a day, morning and night, 5 days on, 2 days off. Apply the gel and rub in completely for about 1 minute. We recommend a Monday to Friday use and a Saturday to Sunday rest period. The rest period helps the body works to produce growth hormone on its own. For intensive use, apply 4 full pumps twice a day, morning and night. Each week, rotate the application location between the wrists, forearms, armpits, and behind the knees. It is best to apply SOMADERM after a shower as it absorbs better on warm skin. For optimal result, apply the gel to thin areas of skin, including the wrist, forearm, armpits, and behind the knees. Do not consume alcohol within 3 to 4 hours of gel application. Consume half your body weight in ounces of plain water daily. Keep refined processed food such as bread, pasta, cakes, candy, cookies, chips, sugar, drinks, and alcohol to a minimum. Things to remember. Everybody's chemistry is unique. If you are sensitive to the gel, have a lower body weight, or metabolize slowly, you may need to apply a half pump for a couple of weeks. If tolerated well, move to the recommended full dose. As with any topical product, it is recommended to first apply a small amount of gel to skin to see if irritation occurs. These are the directions that comes with the package. Now, this is the box. This is how it comes. And here's the bottle. It's like a metal or plastic bottle. No, it's a plastic bottle. It has 3.4 ounces, 96 grams. It says here SOMADERM, maximum strength, SOMATROPIN, homeopathic, transdermal gel. Transdermal means that you can apply it on your skin. It says may improve bone and joint health, may increase muscle and reduce fat, may improve sleep. My sleep has improved a lot. And active ingredient, SOMATROPIN 30x, thyroidinum 8 times, glandula suprarrenales 6x. Ingredients, inactive ingredient, purified water, and some other ingredients. There's a lot, I cannot read all that. This is trademark of Xygenix and is manufactured for NewULife. It says, is swallow, get medical help, or contact a poison control center right away. Consult your physician before use. SOMADERM is a Food and Drug Administration FDA registered. So SOMADERM is registered by the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, as a transdermal GH microdose over-the-counter homeopathic remedy. NewULife makes no medical claims to treat, cure, or prevent any disease or medical condition. Please consult your physician before use if you have any medical condition. The bottle is a plastic bottle and also has another plastic seal. Once you open it, then you can use the product. What I love about this new bottle is that it's an airless pump and it's very easy to dispense the product. The direction says we have to rotate areas of application. Last night I applied it to this wrist, so today I will apply it on the other side. Since this bottle is new, we have to press a few times before the product comes out. Let's do 2 pumps. 2 pumps in the morning, 2 pumps at night. 5 days on, 2 days off. One of the reasons I started using the gel is because I wanted to lose weight, also feel more energy. I wanted to improve my sleep, and it's helping me a lot with my sleep. This is also helping me with energy. I already started exercising again and I feel better. I feel more energetic and awake. SOMADERM has helping me with my sleeping troubles. Also with the energy, I already started exercising again, and I'm feeling better after using this because I'm sleeping more, and I think sleep is very important for energy. Also, I wanted to use it because I wanted to lose weight. I haven't lost weight yet. It's only been 1 bottle that I already finished, but this is my 2nd bottle. So I think I will start seeing a difference in my weight in about 3 months probably. But right now I think the gel is working where I need it. I have been feeling more energetic. I've been sleeping better. I don't have any more headaches like before. So I think that is great. I'm gonna keep using it, and if any of you need more information, I can help you get it. Since I'm a member of NewULife, I can help you get it. I think I'm gonna leave the link down in the message section or in the comment section. In case someone is interested to try it, this is a great product.